Hello, young Andas. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you and your family member safe at home. Yes or no? So, in this Corona crisis, your learning should not stop. That's why we are working here. You should not distance from your study. Yes or no? So, in the previous chapter, I have already discussed all the question answer, all the things. You have to complete the question answer and bring your notebook to school. I will check your a notebook. Okay, so today I am going to discuss a very amazing and interesting chapter okay, so the chapter name is the magnificent animal kingdom. Okay, this is chapter 3. Chapter 3. Okay, so chapter name what? Magnificent. Okay, the magnificent what? Animal kingdom. Animal kingdom. So your chapter name. Okay, so the magnificent. Okay, animal kingdom. Okay, so in your mind question coming now, what is magnificent? Magnificent means it is looking attractive, amazing. Okay, you think it is look like royal. This is okay. Have you visited any the royal palace? Royal palace, it is Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore palace, Mysore palace. Okay, so how it is look like? It is very beautiful, amazing, and the architect. Okay, the architecture and the construction and design of the building. How it is look like? It is very amazing and it is very attractive towards the people. Yes or no? So like magnificent means royal, or you can say what? Splendid. Yes, splendid. Okay, splendid. और splendid means ये दिखने में बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, it is look like a very attractive, and you can, if you see one time, your mind will be say, hey, so many times I will say, I will ask so many time I will see. Yes or no? So it means magnificent means royal. Okay, royal means the look like the king palace. Okay, so we have so many king palace. Yes or no? So you think about the Mysore palace, Bangalore palace. How it is look like? It is very amazing. Yes or no? Attractive. Yes or no? So the topic name clear. The magnificent animal kingdom. Animal kingdom means all animal is there. Okay, so many animal is there. Okay, so now I am going to show a animal kingdom. Okay, so this is your animal kingdom. Okay, see, so this is a one type of animal kingdom. Okay, so in this animal kingdom, see here sea animal is there, and sea fishes is there, and mollusca is there, crustacean is there, shell is there, some amphibian also there, some lizards also there, some reptiles is there, some more reptiles is there. Okay, so today I am going to discuss your about the magnificent animal kingdom. Okay, so in the animal kingdom, how the animal are adapted or survive in their habitat. Yes, so in your mind question come na, what is habitat, what is adaptation? Yes or no? So let's discuss what is habitat and what is the adaptation. Okay, write down habitat. Okay, habitat means see, okay, so the natural home or a surrounding is called habitat. Okay, you think about your habitat. Your habitat, you are staying in home, so your habitat is a house. You think about the bird. Bird is staying in the where? Nest. So bird's habitat is the nest. Yes or no? So habitat means the natural home or surrounding is called habitat. Yes, the natural home or surrounding is called habitat. Yes, clear? Okay, my habitat is where? Tell me. My habitat is in school, because I am staying in school now. Yes, so my habitat is in school. School is a what? House. Yes. So you think about your habitat. You are staying in a home. Your house. Your habitat is house. Okay. You think about the fish. Where is what is the habitat of fish? It is staying in water. Yes. So habitat of fish is water. Yes. So habitat means, okay, the natural home or surrounding is called habitat. Yes, clear? Then come to what is adaptation. Yes, okay. So think one thing. I am from Odisha, okay, but I am staying in Karnataka, okay. So I am adapting here. Adapting means I am surviving, okay. So I am surviving in this climate, in this food. Yes. So adaptation means the change, okay, the change or modification, the change or modification of a animal to survive. Survive means to live, okay. The change or modification of animals, okay, to survive, okay, to survive in a particular, okay, particular place is called what? Adaptation. Yes, clear? Clear? So what is adaptation? Okay, so the change or modification, okay, so the change or modification of animals to survive. Survive means to live in a particular what place, okay. So I am suppose I am human being, okay, so I cannot stay in water, because I can survive in water by changing some structure, our body structure. Yes or no? So this is about the what is it? Habitat and adaptation. Clear? Okay, this is about the definition. Okay, this is about definition of habitat and adaptation. Then clear? Then come to discuss about okay. So this is over about the definition of adaptation and habitat. Okay, so think about okay. So even okay, so even animal also staying in very cold, okay, in hot condition, where we human being also we cannot live in that place. Think about, okay, if you got chance in your life, you visit Jammu Kashmir, okay, Jammu Kashmir and Simla, okay, it is very nice and beautiful place. Okay, in that region always snow is falling down, okay, so in that region always snow is falling down, okay, so you cannot okay, you cannot live in that place, okay, but some animal or some human birds also they are live 24 hours. How? You think about how? So they have adapting, or they are adapting in their habitat, okay, so they are change or modify to in that surrounding to live, okay. You think about the Rajasthan, it is very high temperature area, okay, so in that the rain is not there, in even in a year 1 or 2 times rain is there, okay, so you think about how they are surviving, okay, okay, how they are live in that region, because they are adapting that life character to adjust in the that area. Yes, so write down like us, okay, animal, okay, like us animals, okay, need food, okay, need food, shelter, shelter means house, okay, home, okay, and protect their body from harsh weather condition, okay. So what will happen, like us, okay, so we also need what, in the winter season we need clothes, yes or no. From rainy season, where we are staying inside home. But you think about the animals, you think about the birds, insect, okay, so how they are staying, because they also need, okay, they also need clothes, they also need house, okay, but they don't have needs, you how they are surviving, okay. So like also, okay, animals need, okay, so animals also need food, shelter, and protect their body from harsh weather condition. Weather condition means wind, okay, rain, yes or no. So animals also need all the things, okay. So in this animal kingdom, okay, so we see, okay, so how the animals, so these are the animals, they are sea animals, sea fishes, okay, so how they are surviving, okay, so they have some special feature, okay, special feature, in the special feature they survive, okay, okay. Then come to bird, okay, so how birds, okay, bird are surviving in the air, okay. Have you observed the bird always flying in the sky? Why a bird can fly, we cannot fly, okay, so many character is there, yes or no. So then write down, bird have a special character called feather, okay, okay, so feather bird, okay. So bird have a special character called a feather. Okay. So with the feather, first write down. Feather keep. Okay. 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 Feather keep the bird warm and protect them in the different, okay, weather condition. Yes or no? So rain is there, wind is there, okay. So what will happen in this condition, the feather will help to the, so feather keep the bird warm, okay, उसको कैसा लगता है, बहुत गर्म लगता है उसका बॉडी को, ओके, ठंडी लगे तो हम क्या लेते हैं, कपड़ा ले लेते हैं, ओके, बट थिंक अबाउट द बर्ड, ओके, they don't have a clothes, anything. So what will happen, with the help of a feather, okay, so they cover their body like this. You think, observe in the winter season or rainy season, when rain will come, what will happen, the birds, okay, cover the all their child with the help of a feather like this, okay. So this way they protect, okay, they survive, okay, in this way they are surviving their surrounding, okay. So this is over. Then come to second. Okay, some birds, okay, the feather provide. Okay, so some words the feather provided. Okay, camouflage. Okay, camouflage. Okay, camouflage means what will happen? Sometimes what will happen? The bird feather is look like their surrounding. Suppose you think a bird is sitting on the branches of the tree. Okay, so what will happen? Suddenly the bird change their feather. It change like the branches of the tree. Okay, suppose the branches of the tree it is look like green color. So suddenly what will happen? The bird change their body feather into green color. Yes, so this is called camouflage. Okay, so camouflage means body color match the surrounding. Okay, camouflage means body color. Okay, okay, camouflage means body color match the surrounding. Okay, so this is in this way the bird can survive or adjust in their surrounding. Yes or no? Then the tail. Okay, the tail feather help in their flight. Okay, and birds clean their clean their feather. Okay, with their okay. Okay, so then come to just to wait 1 minute. Okay, so listen. So what will happen? The tail feather, okay, जो the tail feather, okay, जो पीछे का जो रहता है ना पंखिया, okay, so the tail feather help in their flight, okay, flight means उड़ने के लिए with the help of fly, okay, so why the birds can fly, we human being cannot fly because human being it is a heavy weight and you think about the bird, the body bird is the weight is very light and the bone is contain air. Yes or no? And with the help of they have a feather. With the help of feather, they will be fly in the sky. Okay? And they have a tail feather. Tail means पीछे का जो रहता है ना feather. These are called tail feather. Okay? The tail feather help in their flight and bird clean their feather with their beak. उनका बीक रहता है ना जैसे खाना खाते हैं जिस तरफ ओके ये सी हियर so this is called a what you see this is called a beak okay see this is beak okay through the help of a beak they what will clean their feather okay so in this way bird can okay, survive in their, okay, in their survive in their habitat. Then come to discuss about the what are the character in their animal which help, okay. So what are the character in animal, okay, so which help in the adaptation in their habitat, okay. So see here, so this is a cell, okay. You think example this is a togger crown, okay, and a crown, and these are mental. So what will happen, inside their body is very soft, okay. They are the soft body animal, okay, but they have a cell inside, in the outer covering is a cell, so it is very hard, okay. So it is protect the animal from the external attack, okay. Because if you attack their head, their eye, all things will be hide inside their body, because the outer covering is very hard. Yes, and think about the sea fishes, okay. So this is a dolphin, okay. How it is very large, and it is moving in the water in a very high speed, and why? Because this tail feather is there, okay. This tail feather help in the moving in the water, okay. You think about the crab, okay. Crab, see, the outer covering is very hard, but inside it is soft, very soft, okay. So what will happen when anyone attack, what will happen, their eye and their skin, eye and their legs, all the things, it will be hide inside their body, okay. Because the outer covering is hard, this outer, due to outer covering, they will be survive in their habitat, okay. So think about the, okay, what else, and think about the, yes, crocodile, okay. Crocodile, yes or no? See the body, how it is look like, it is look like a stone, yes, it is stone, look like a stone, yes. So it is very hard, okay. So if you attack, nothing will happen, very strong it is. You think turtle, okay, turtle, okay. So what will happen, the outer covering is very hard. If you attack, what will happen, the head, the leg, all the things will be hide inside their body, okay. Due to this character, the animal, okay, easily survive in their animal kingdom, okay. Okay, you think here alligator, okay. So alligator, how it is look, it will eat male, yes, it is, they are a very dangerous animal, okay. Don't go, okay. If you found anywhere, you don't, you should be avoid, okay, because these are the very dangerous animal, they will kill you, kill the human being, yes, okay. So in due to this character, they will be survive in their habitat. See here, chameleon, okay. Chameleon is a one type of a chameleon, okay. It is an animal, okay. When any other animal attack, so what will happen, suddenly it change their color, okay. In a where, okay, in a where, it change so many times color. It is when you, if you find it will be sometime yellow, it is red, or sometime be mixed color, it will look like this, okay. So why? Because why they are changing their color, so they are changing their color to, okay, to survive in their habitat, yes. No, otherwise you, anyone will kill you, kill this animal, yes or no. So chameleon, okay, chameleon, they change their color. And this is salamander, okay. Salamander also change their color in their surrounding. Frog also, okay, frog also change their color in their surrounding, okay. So this is the characters of this animal kingdom, and due to this special character, what will happen, they are survive in their habitat, okay.